Welcome to the ultimate learning adventure. Let's match shapes and meet the A characters. Playing games fun, grow with confidence.
Back to school!
Come on, pack your lunch. Pick your favorite foods. Pick croissant, bean salad, apple. Good job! You packed your lunch. Come on, pack your bag. Put them in one by one. Bottle, case, lunchbox. That's a match. Now zip it up. All packed, off you go. Choose your shoes. Take your pick. Time to tie your shoelaces. Swipe to tie a pretty bow. Tie a bow. Tie a bow. Swipe to tie a pretty bow. You did it! You did it! All done! Off you go! Come on, pack. Come on, it's shower time. Too hot, too cold, too just right. Pick your favorite loofah. Scrub your body. Scrub the neck, scrub the back. Don't miss the underarms. Let's clean the other one. Knees, scrub the knees. Rinse it off. So clean.
Yay!
Bath time done. Amazing! Come on, pick a brush. Pick. We'll brush our teeth. Pour all the water in. Pour it in. Spit the water out. And draw your favorite things. Wipe and draw. Draw. We'll fill the sink. Fill. Splash the water on your face. Splash. We'll wipe our face. fresh and bright. Job well done! Time to dance! Come on. It's potty time. Let's go potty. Tap, tap to calm down. Calm. We'll push, push, push to poop. One more time. You can do it. One more time. Time to wipe. Time to wipe. We'll flush, flush, flush the toilet. Then we wash our little hands. We take soap in our hands. Soap, soap. Use the soap. Use the soap.
Wash with soap.
We'll rinse, rinse, rinse our hands. Rinse your hands. Don't forget to wipe your hands. Wipe, wipe. You did it! You went potty!